So basically, what we're trying to do here is remove all the rust from the gas tank. There's like a decent amount of it, and I did a quick Google search for 2 minutes, and I found that Coke works. I couldn't actually find Coke, but I mean, you got Coke Zero. I mean, it's
No, it's great. I know.
it's all the real flavor, but just 0 calories. So
No, I mean, we were at Canadian. Oh my! Was that the same bottle you dropped earlier?
Yeah, but that was like a good hour ago.
You know Canadian Tire, they had a rust remover.
Yeah, but that's like $30. Oh, that's good. That foaming action is gonna help.
You got it in the paint.
That's okay, because luckily for us, we're gonna paint it a new color. I heard Coke is good for paint.
So you're just gonna dump a whole... Okay. No, it's cool. No, it's fine. Just do that.
Nah, that's good. Hoping for no leaks. And this is a good way to test if anything comes out of it either. Yeah, this does not work. Because there's like no Coke coming out of it.
Yeah.
So, basically that's clogged then.
So what are you gonna do? Pour more Coke in it or?
No, that's just like, I've had a feeling it was like clogged, so like, I bought a new one. But, okay, so this was originally a Honda CB650 from 1980. So basically what happened here is somebody decided to make it into a hardtail, and what that means is they just removed the springs in the rear and they kind of lowered the back a little bit. So it looks really cool. But unfortunately, I actually really like cafe racers, and that's pretty much what this was, or it could have been. So like, it's not exactly my favorite bike, but it looks like it once was. So that's cool. There's also a little bit of Bondo everywhere on the bike.
Okay, here we go.
But I love Bondo. I've never owned a vehicle without a little bit of Bondo. So like, yeah, the motor does run-ish. I mean, it starts.
I think it started one time.
Yeah, I started one time with brake cleaner, and that was...
Dan's like, oh, help me film. I got a sick bike. I haven't seen it start yet. The most I've seen was a Snapchat of it.
Well, I mean, that's good enough, right? I mean, Pixar didn't happen. I didn't have much of a pic, but I had a Snapchat of like the whole thing going down, so... You enjoying those bugs?
I just want to film my part of the show. Because I'm probably going to get like 6 Jaguars on there. And I'll be like, hey, we could have had one. They'd be like, what happened? I'll be like, decided to get a bike with holes in it. Pour Coke Zero in it. But at least it's all the real flavor, so it's good.
And that's right. All the real flavor of Coke Zero. Alright, so first step, besides that, so I guess that'll be second step. We're going to remove all of these little fiberglass side panels that hide the battery tray. And we're going to take them off so we can start sanding them for priming them for paint. Same with the fender here, we got to do a little bit of work. We're going to fix these little zip tie, whatever you call these, mounts. And we're going to do proper ones underneath. And we're going to fix these holes up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to run the electricals right down instead of kind of taking up a whole bunch of space and looking ugly here. That's
what
great.
What the hell is that, Dan?
That's craftsmanship. I love duct tape. You know, you can tell someone's a really good mechanic when they use duct tape on wires instead of electrical tape.
I'm pretty sure Jaguar engineers thought this out.
Yeah, well, this is a Honda, okay? So.
Oh, we need the icon.
No, we don't need one. No. It's all good.
So, okay, so you're just going to take that plate off?
Yep, and the same one on the other side.
And so this is going to expose what?
The battery tray, which is right in here.
So see how it just automatically opens? So I'm guessing it's an automated system.
Oh yeah, it's... Yeah.
No, so it just fell off on its own.
Nah, it's great when things fall off. It's like weight reduction, you know? Look at that. Fiberglass.
That's exactly what it is. Weight reduction. So everything's exposed. As you can see, it looks brand new. Looks about showroom level.
Oh yeah, rust is good. I love rust. I'll also never own a vehicle without rust. Oh, that washer's kind of on there a little bit. There we go. It's always good not to use a hammer. You always just use your wrenches, because then when you break them, you just gotta go out and buy new ones, and you can get new wrenches all the time.
So assuming that everybody has monopoly money and pays in not so real currency, yeah, basically try to get the tools at the right measurement sizes. I mean, me personally, I don't look at them. I just be like, yo, this fits, let's use it. Dan's like, let me get the 35.2 million centimeter inch.
Yeah, because that's totally a wrench. I know that one. So my plan here is to take everything off and just throw it all in a pile and guess how it all goes back. I mean, I wish I got a PT Cruiser. I honestly would have taken it for
Here
trade.
we go again.
Not even gonna lie.
Oh my God.
Like, I don't know why y'all hate
This
PT
goddamn
Cruisers.
camera right
Ain't nothing wrong with a PT Cruiser. If you ain't PT Cruising, you're PT losing. Just remember that. Alright, so we have it all sanded down. I decided not to use any more Bondo, because, you know, that's kind of going to ruin the bike. And plus, you're never going to really see the spots that are Bondoed anyway. So we're just going to spray paint it with the cheapest spray paint we
Show
can
me what
find.
you got, man.
We got that acrylic lacquer, duplicate color, Canadian Tire Special.
This paint gonna be lacking. I'm joking, man. I got faith in this guy.